Nothing says Halloween like a 1,400-pound pumpkin on your porch. So in order to carve this thing, we need a chainsaw. But I don't know about these dinky things. You know what we need? You're darn right, more power. This is a Moby Mike 8800. She's been bored, stroked, ported, polished, shaved the head, running on aviation fuel. This thing makes more power than Travis Pastrana's dirt bike. Let's fire it up. Well, you guys probably saw the water shooting out of the chainsaw. We had a crack in it. We had like 5 inches of rain and it all went inside the pumpkin. So there we go, boys. I mean, that looks like a professional did it. I mean, that looks like something you buy in a store. Hey Jim, that's kind of a small chainsaw there.
You know, Mike, I have nothing to prove about my masculinity. You know, it's only you toxic males that have something to prove. What's your issue, Mike? Really?